What's up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to be upgrading all our old lights out in the shop. When we first started YouTube 6 months ago, we upgraded these two from the old fluorescent to the new LEDs, but these LEDs are only, I think, 8,000 lumens. These new ones are 20,000 lumens, so it should be a huge increase in light. And the old fluorescent, I think a 4-foot bulb, brand new, is 2,000 lumens, so they're probably nowhere near that now. So we should get a huge increase in light. We're going to change those two. I'll show you how to wire them up, give you a little product review on that. I got two more. I'll probably place one here in the center. That way if we drove in and had the engine on this side, we'd have light, and we're going to put one on that end, because it's real dark over there. Oh, and we got a new air conditioner. Let me show you that. We went all over town looking for an air conditioner. We went to Home Depot, Walmart, a few other places, and nobody had any. They had some 5,000 BTUs, but we wanted 10 or 12. So I found on Amazon. It's an Amazon Basics brand. I don't know who really makes it, but so far it's great. Comes with a remote. I couldn't tell you what one button on the remote does yet. I haven't read any instructions, but it works great. So if you're interested in that, I'll try to update in the comments if you're watching this video later. I'll give you more of a better update than what I am now. So, and I'll have a link in the description of which one I bought. So let's get started. Let's take these down, and I'll kind of show you how to wire them up. We'll see how good they work. I don't know if they're any good or not, but we're going to find out. So let's go.
Alright, so the first thing you want to do in dealing with electricity is turn off the breaker so that way you don't get shocked.
Alright, I can go flip that. Oh, we got the new fender in. Got it all painted. We're going to put that on tomorrow. We're going to do the doors and start cutting that rocker panel out. And we got a new rocker. So that video will be coming out soon. So let's flip this.
Alright, so now I'm going to turn off the lights and roll up the doors. In this video we're going to be working in the heat, the Louisiana heat.
Yeah, we don't have enough light since we have the lights off. So we're going to have to roll up the door and open this door and stuff to try to get some more light. Alright, so this should be all the tools we need. This looks like it has 2 Phillips screws holding that up. This we'll just test for, make sure we don't have any electricity. And this is your basic wire stripper. So let's open this up, see what we got. Let's see, we got 2 in a box. So this amount up here, this is a lot smaller than the original ones. It looks kind of cheap. Let's see. These have 4. Our original one had 3. Plus each one's way brighter. It's supposed to be the best one on Amazon. So we're going to take this down. We'll mount this up there. And then you just screw this into it. And you just wire a white and a black into here. And that's it. Alright, so you ready? Let's get the bulbs out. And then just put them in that corner right there. There you go. Next we'll unscrew this. Just hold up here. Hold over here. Use this to make sure we don't have any electricity. I think we're good. So the only thing with this And I remember this from the last one. I had to use this wire. So I'm gonna have to figure out which one's the positive and which one's the negative. Let me just cut this. Alright, you can do whatever you want to do with that. Whoever wired this shit originally didn't do the best job in the world. The lights are tied in with some of the outlets. And this shouldn't be this. I'm going to get a razor blade, split this, and figure out what's what. So this is green, that should be ground. Okay, so this has 3 wires coming out of it. This only has a connection for 2 spots, for 2 wires. And it's labeled L and N. I would assume L is load, N is neutral, but this is Chinese, so who knows what it really means. But the way this screw is connected, looks like the L would be the load, so I'm calling it load. So you're gonna have you got the green as ground, you got a neutral, so you can actually tie these 2 together. And the way you know which one is which, this wire has ribs on it. This one's smooth, so smooth is the ground, neutral. The one with ribs is the hot or the load. So we're just going to connect those and then screw it up to that, and then that's it. So the hard part is trying to get these wires in here, and I can't half see anymore. And the other one had the ground wire went to the metal frame of that light, and it was ground in the actual metal frame. But this doesn't have it, being a little plastic deal. Hope it's not too thick. Alright, let's see. Find some wood. You might only get 1 screw in it, I don't know. We hold this like that. I'm gonna have to screw it right there. There's no wood there, so we're just going to put 1 screw in it. Screw this on. Alright.
You may turn on the lights to see how it is?
Yeah, go flip the breaker and then come back and turn the light on. Alright, flip the switch. Let's see if it's going to be bright.
Oh, wow. That's much brighter.
I like that. Yeah, that's a huge improvement. So we're going to do 1 more light, and then whenever we get the truck out, because I got to drop this attic door down, I can't do it today. I'm going to wire in the other 2. But at least you get to see if it's a good light. Can you get like a comparison of the 2? How much brighter this is over the old one?
Yeah.
20,000 lumens versus, what was that one? 8 or 12,000?
Yeah, I think
it was 8.
Alright, so this one is 20,000.
Lumens.
And then that one's 8,000 lumens.
Huge difference. Actually, you know what we ought to do? Since we have 4 of the new lights, put all 4 up now. Take the 2 old ones down, and then we'll wire the 2 old ones on the outside. That way we'll have all new lights. That should make a huge difference. All right, let's knock this one out right quick, since we know what we're doing now. Some old ancient stuff here. Could probably update this to LED bulbs, but you had to change it all out, and these things were so cheap. Wait, I don't even see the screws for this one. What in the world?
Make scratches all over
Hold
my
this.
truck.
I hate working over the truck, but I can't move the truck out. We don't have the fender on, I have the battery on. Gotta do the best we can. Hard. Here, you're gonna have to hold this. Alright. Throw it all away. Junk. How much were these lights? Do you remember? Were they like 20 bucks, huh? No, it was 40 bucks for 2 lights, so it was $20 a light. And that was way cheaper than converting this fluorescent to LED.
Yeah, that's a good deal.
And they super bright too. I love them. I just wish the housing that holds it was stronger, better. But you could buy those at Home Depot real cheap. Alright, hand me the little base for the light. Get that connected. See if I can read. So we're going to do the L first. That's the one with the ribbed markings. Yeah, I think the guy that built our house wired it himself, because inside our house, like the shower, the light above the shower is connected to the front porch receptacle. It's all kind of crazy stuff. And apparently he wired out here too, and he's worse an electrician than I am. This is all tight. That's good. Hand me the drill. I need a black screw. Push this back in. I'll just put it right in that spot. Okay, give me the light. Alright, let's just go ahead, open the box, and we'll change the other 2 out.
Alright.
This place is gonna be bright. All right, I'm gonna let you change out the last two since it's just unscrewing and putting the new one up.
Yeah, then we're gonna box these two up once we get the truck pulled out, and we're gonna put it in front and back.
I can't wait to see what it looks like when all four of them's up, especially when we have all six. Here, I'll take it. It's right here. Just screws in. And after it's tight, you don't have to be super tight. Just line up those lights how you want them.
Yeah, and then it's tight enough.
Yeah. Flip them down a little bit, not too much. That's probably good.
And then now we're gonna do the front left.
All right. All right, let me grab the new one for you. How you doing, Lexi? Hey, girl. Lexi's old. How old is she?
9.
9 or? Yeah. Here, take that. Put this up. Get all these boxed up. We're gonna have some serious light in here.
Is that good?
Yeah, now flip it how you want it. And let's close the doors. You close the big one. Turn the breaker back on. I'll close this one. Let's see how it is. Close it. Alright. Let's see what it's gonna do. Whoa!
Much brighter in here.
I like that. We can actually see. Now we're gonna put one on the end, like if we drove in, the engine be on this side or over there. So that'll be 6 lights. Big improvement. So I don't remember the name of it, but they don't even have the name on the box. They don't say. But I'll put a link in the description. That way you can go check them out if you want to get it. And I would recommend getting a 4 versus the 3. See how this one had 3 lights? You might as well pay the extra few dollars and get the 4. It's way brighter. So that's it. I hope you like it. Now we have a little more light in here to do some filming. If you need a new air conditioner, check that out. And like I said, I'll update the comments later on, maybe in a few months. I'll put a comment on how the air conditioning's doing. So if you ever want an Amazon Basics air condition, which I didn't know they had it, so check that out. And that's gonna be about it. And tomorrow we're gonna be finishing up the side of the truck. Then we'll take it over to our body shop guy and let him help us with this dent right here. Help us with that. We got a rocker panel, so we're gonna start splitting that apart. We'll cut this one out, get the fender on, get the doors hung. So we got a lot of work to do tomorrow. So stay tuned and we will see you in the next video.